Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 11th of June 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 11th of June 2021. Our first question is, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by Moody's? Answer is option number 1, 9.3%. What is Moody's? Moody's is an American credit rating agency. It was established in 1999. Headquarters is in New York City, and recently it has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year, that is in 2021-22, will be 9.3%. So answer will be option number 1. Next, India has recently signed a loan agreement of $2.5 million with Asian Development Bank to upgrade major district roads in Dash. Answer is option number 4, Sikkim. Recently, ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, and India have signed a loan agreement to support project preparation and design activities to upgrade major district roads in Sikkim. It is a $2.5 million project readiness financing loan, and this will help improve connectivity to important towns, rural areas, pilgrimage and tourist destinations in Sikkim. So answer will be option number 4, Sikkim. What is ADB? Long form is Asian Development Bank. It was established in 1966. Headquarters is in Manila, which is in Philippines, and currently President of ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, is Matsugu Asukawa. And Sikkim, look at map, this is Sikkim. Its capital is Gangtok, governor is Ganga Prasad, and CM is Prem Singh Tamang. Next, Indian hockey men's team ranks at Dash in the international ranking recently released by the International Hockey Federation. What is International Hockey Federation? It is the highest governing body of hockey in the world. It was established on 7th of June 1924. Headquarters is in Lausanne, which is in Switzerland, and currently President of International Hockey Federation is Dr. Narinder Batra. And recently this International Hockey Federation has released World Hockey Ranking, and according to this ranking, India ranks at 4th number in the world. First number has been carried by Belgium, Australia stands at 2nd number, and Netherlands stands at 3rd number in the men's hockey. So answer will be option number 4, 4th. Next, Sir Aniruddha Jagannath has recently died. He was the former president of which country? Look at image. This was Sir Aniruddha Jagannath, former president of Mauritius. So answer will be option number 4, Mauritius. He was a Mauritian politician and has served both as president and prime minister of Mauritius. So answer will be option number 4, Mauritius. Next, which of the following state or union territory government has launched YONTAB scheme? Answer is option number 2, Ladakh. Recently, the Ladakh government has launched YONTAB scheme. Under this scheme, Ladakh will offer financial help to meritorious students of class 10th and 12th. The government of Ladakh will also provide financial assistance to the meritorious students so that they can prepare for national level entrance exams such as JEE, NEET, CLAT or NDA. So answer will be option number 2, Ladakh. Leh and Kargil are the capitals of Ladakh. Lieutenant Governor is R.K. Mathur, and it was formed on 31st of October 2019. Next, Sanjeev Kohli has been recently appointed as the next ambassador of India to Dash. Answer is option number 3, Serbia. Sanjeev Kohli, IFS officer of 1988 batch, and recently has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Serbia. This is Serbia. Capital is Belgrade and currency is Serbian dinar. Next, Hari Krishna Dwivedi has recently been appointed as the new chief secretary of Dash. Answer is option number 2, West Bengal. This is Hari Krishna Dwivedi, and IS officer of 1988 batch of West Bengal, and he recently has been appointed as the new chief secretary of West Bengal by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. So answer will be option number 2, West Bengal. West Bengal, this is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar and Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Food Safety Day? Answer is option number 3, 7th June. 7th June is celebrated every year as World Food Safety Day to spread awareness, detect and prevent foodborne risk, contributing to food security, human health, economic prosperity, agriculture, market access, tourism and sustainable development. In 2018, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed that every June 7th would be celebrated as World Food Safety Day. The observance is jointly facilitated by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations and World Health Organization. So answer will be option number 3, 7th June. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched Chief Minister Anupriti scheme? Answer is option number 4, Rajasthan. Recently, the state government of Rajasthan has launched this new scheme called the Chief Minister's Free Coaching Scheme or Mukhyamantri Nishulk Coaching Yojana, or also called Chief Minister Anupriti scheme. Under this scheme, the state government would provide free coaching to students to prepare for the Indian Civil Services exams, Rajasthan Civil Services exams, IIT, IIM, CPMT, NIT, and Rajasthan Engineering and Medical, etc. Also, the Rajasthan state government will encourage and provide economic help to poor and brilliant students belonging to the SC, ST, SBC, OBC and below poverty lines families. So answer will be option 4, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, this is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra and CM is Ashok Gehlot. Next, red tourism, which is seen in news recently, is associated with which of the following country? Answer is option number 3, China. Red tourism has been coined by China, which refers to visiting sites which have modern revolutionary legacy. It was launched in 2004 with the objective of promoting locations with historical and cultural significance for history of Communist Party. It seeks to spread awareness regarding history of Communist Party starting with its origins. It includes colorful events which promotes visitors to put on revolutionary attire when they visit former residences of communist leaders and exhibitions halls, etc. And on the occasion of 100th anniversary of Chinese Communist Party in 2021, China is promoting red tourism, which means it is encouraging people to visit places that have historical and cultural importance of Communist Party. So answer will be option number 2, option number 3, China. China, this is China. Its capital is Beijing. President is Xi Jinping and currency is renminbi. Next, which of the following country will host United Nations Global Sustainable Transport Conference 2021? Answer is option number 2, China. The second United Nations Sustainable Transport Conference will be held from 14th to 16th of October 2021 in Beijing in China. It will provide an opportunity to focus attention on the opportunities, challenges and solutions towards achieving sustainable transport worldwide. The conference will follow up on the first global sustainable transport conference held in 2016 in Turkmenistan and is expected to indicate a way forward for sustainable transport to help achieve the objective of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change. So answer will be option number 2, China. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was Sky Guardian 1 is a air defense exercise between dash. Answer is option number 3, Pakistan and Egypt. Second question was which of the following state government has recently decided to give 33% reservation to girl students in engineering and medical colleges of the state? Answer is option number 3, Bihar. Which of the following union minister has recently honored by WHO for his efforts to control tobacco? Answer is option number 4, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Justice Arun Kumar Mishra has been recently appointed as the chairman of National Human Rights Commission. This commission was formed in dash. It was formed in 1993. Fifth question was who among the following has been recently appointed as the new president of the Confederation of Indian Industry, that is CII? Answer is option number 1, TV Narendran. Sixth question was which of the following day is celebrated as World Milk Day? Answer is option number 3, 1st June. Which of the following day is celebrated as Global Day of Parents? Answer is option number 3, 1st June. Which of the following state government has recently started Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana? Answer is option number 4, Rajasthan. Ninth question was who among the following has been recently appointed as the new ambassador of India to Iceland? Answer is option number 3, B. Sham. 10th question was who is the author of the book titled Stargazing? Answer is option number 2, Ravi Shastri. What is the percentage of EWS is reservation that has been announced by the Maharashtra government to Maratha community? Answer is option number 1, 10%. On which of the following year did the state of Telangana form? Answer is option number 2, 2014. And last question was who is the author of the book titled Savarkar, A Contested Legacy 1924 to 1966? Answer is option number 4, Vikram Sampath. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was which of the following state or union territory government has recently launched SASCM scheme? Answer is option number 3, Jammu and Kashmir. The state government of Jammu and Kashmir has recently launched the scheme titled SASCM scheme. Now today's question is, which of the following ministry has launched the Yuva scheme? Options are Education Ministry, Sports Ministry, Rail Ministry and Ayush Ministry. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.